Hi, this is Angelique Sandas at Miami Life Center. And in this clip, we're going to talk about yoga for shin splints and knee pain. Anna's going to demonstrate a few asanas for us. From here, she's going to move into down dog, bringing her hands forward on the mat and lifting the hips. Now in this position, you want to keep the feet parallel and about hip distance apart, keeping an even amount of energy moving through the width of the ball of the foot. As she reaches her heels toward the floor, we're allowing those muscles along the front of the shin to have some slack and to have some release, stretching the opposite muscles of the leg. From here, Anna's going to bring her knees down to the floor, knees together, feet together, and she's going to rest her weight back toward the heels. In this position, we're allowing the front of the ankle and that shin muscle to stretch and lengthen. To deepen this stretch, Anna's going to bring her hands forward, taking some weight into the hands to rock back, lifting the knees, deepening the stretch through that ankle. As she takes her knees back down to the floor, she's going to lift her hips up, separate her feet, and bring a block to place between her ankles to allow for a little lift as she sits down into the block. If this is intense through the knees, you may want to give yourself more height, turning the block up to the side or even up on its end. We'll stay here for now. So bringing the knees together, we want the feet slightly wider than the hips. This can be very intense in the knee joints, but it's very healthy for the knees to allow them to find this inward rotation and lengthening the inner ligaments of the knees. But do be careful and move into it slowly and carefully. Eventually, you can take the block away and sit flat between the ankles, giving the knees their deepest stretch and allowing the front of the ankles their nice deep stretch. Again, this is Angelique Sandas with Miami Life Center, and this has been yoga for shin splints and knee pain.